All right, now I'm going to measure the resistance of the bulb. So putting that in the ohms. Putting one on, and we'll go up to 2 million or 2 mega, just to make sure, just to be sure. Yeah, it's displaying 0, so I'm going to disconnect. Down to 200K. It's 0.01, so I'm going to go down, disconnected, 20K. 0.002, okay, disconnect, 2K. Still at 0.002, but I get an extra sig fig. So I'm going to go down to 200 ohms and then reconnect. All right, so I'm at 2.3 roughly. That's ohms, of course. All right, disconnected, turning this off.